Okay, let's say our replication on the slave side breaks, okay, and the slave is not available, and for some reason replication, or let's say repl underscore semi underscore sync master timeout is not like it's not, we are not able to change that. And then how we can disable our replication? Okay, so what we are going to do is that, let's say this variable is already 1, we are going to set it to 0. Okay, and that's it. Now the master semi-sync replication is like stop now, and then we have another variable, as I told you. We need to do that on the other side, which is sync slave enabled. We need to like change this one as well, and then we have to stop the IO thread. Okay, and then we have to start the IO thread, so this will take effect. Okay, start. So now we have got back to our asynchronous replication. So that's how you can disable the asynchronous replication. See you in the next one.